Hey guys.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's adventure here in Salford at the Dreamland Imaginarium.
Yes, so we're going to be heading inside. This is like a area for little kids. What would you call it? Like a soft play?
Yeah, it's kind of like a interactive soft play, fun, aimed at 2 to 10-year-olds.
Yes. So there's 4 rooms altogether, loads of interactive areas. We're going to take you around, show you what it's like, show you the food and drink options that they have here, and then take you rooms.
Yeah, we'll leave the prices here.
Yes.
What it is, and it's on until the 16th of February.
Right, so as soon as you come in, you head into the first room. I didn't even see the eyes beforehand. Well, this is we'll call it the snail room. We'll call it the snail room. So it's got like there's a massive snail that's just behind me. It's there.
Flowers.
Yep. And then like interactive areas here at the side, so the kids can kind of like press buttons. There you go. Ollie's showing you now. You can see the bees, the butterflies, and then also the cafe's behind. But we'll show you that a little bit later on.
What does it smell of?
Huh?
What does it smell of?
Flowers.
Flowers?
It's like an Instagrammer's heaven in here, isn't it?
It really is. I'm so excited right now to take all the pictures.
You just saw a ball pit. Right, so next up we're in the monsters room.
This is so much fun. Ollie's like screaming out like,
Yeah.
I'm going to do everything right now.
So in the monsters room you have like an interactive screen which you've got like balls to throw in it. There's also a like hoops,
Yeah,
basketball. There's Twister.
That's how I'm ordered today.
Yeah, so we have noticed a couple of things already. So like the hoops is 2 missing, and there's the Twisters under maintenance. But there's also a big bounce castle there. So.
Yeah, that's what we're doing now.
What is it all? So, what do we think of the bouncy castle? The slide, sorry, the slide. What do you think of the bouncy slide? It was awesome. Are you tired now? There's a big tentacle above us. That tentacle. Is it a monster?
It's coming right from the ground.
Yeah. High five, bud. I think he's having fun, don't you?
He's loving it. It's properly aimed for his age, isn't it? Then?
Yeah. Okay, so we are now.
He's having more fun than we are, aren't we?
No, that's true. You're having fun. So we're now in what we'd like to call the chameleon room or the cactus room. You were a bit prickly, weren't you?
Get out of here. Sorry for the dad jokes yet again.
This was pretty cool. You touch the birds and they interact. It's not a lizard. It's an iguana. It's a chameleon. The boy chilling with his egg. So at the end, as always, there's a gift shop, and you've got the likes of the cactus and the octopus by the ball pit, and also the snail when you come in. Shelley the snail. So Ollie has picked a toy. What's it called?
My name.
Your name?
Ollie the octopus.
Ollie the octopus. So Cara the cactus, Shelley the snail, Ollie the octopus.
You always get pennies when you exit.
He knows it too well.
Sign. There says
Exit, yes.
Always exit through the gift shop. This is no exception.
One other thing to note as well, parking wise, it is free parking for up to 3 hours because it's basically like a Sainsbury's car park.
Yeah, and we've been here for an hour and 15, so it's plenty of time.
Ollie, you got?
Ollie,
Ollie got Ollie. You got happy, man? Are you happy? Yeah. All the details in terms of Dreamland are down in the description below for you to check it out.
Thank you to Phoebe for inviting us out to see this.
Yes, thank you so much, and until next time,
We'll see you on the next adventure.
catch you later.
Bye.